These days, English became a global language, and there is no need to say about its importance. If anybody know English very well, he has a strong writing style ability, then he can do easily survive in this world. जी नमस्कार, मैं हूँ आरसी अग्रहरी. Welcome back in English learning classes, and today we will discuss about the word in English and in American language. तो आइए देखते हैं, आज हम ऐसे वर्ड्स की चर्चा करने जा रहे हैं कि जो इंग्लिश वर्ड हैं उनका अमेरिकन लैंग्वेज में क्या यूज है, अमेरिकन लैंग्वेज में उन्हें क्या कहा जाता है. तो जी आप देख रहे हैं, in English there is timetable, and timetable is known by schedule in American. Schedule in American. As you just watching, there is English word sweets, and if you want to say in American language, then it will be known by candy. Biscuits इंग्लिश वर्ड है, ब्रिटेन का वर्ड है, इसे अमेरिकन में क्या कहा जाएगा? तो जी इसके लिए कुकीज. आप देख रहे हैं मैट. इन अमेरिकन मैट इज नोन बाय angry. Next English word is fill, and this used in America is movie or slick shot. Is English word used in Britain, and in America nappy is known by diaper. As you are just watching, flat English word. In American language it is called by, that is known in American language by apartment. Pavement means footpath. In English language, in Britannian language, pavement means footpath, and this pavement or footpath in American language will be known by sidewalk. Next word is police in English, and in American police is known by cop. And your next word is trainers. In American, trainers are called by sneakers. As you know, different type of words. And next words are well-known English word are known in American language as sofa. Sofa is known by couch in American language. Couch. As you are watching, next word toilet, and in America toilet is called by restroom. Is in American language, holidays are known by vacations. Pin code in American language, it is known by zip code. zip code. Bathroom is known by, in American language, washroom. Garden is an English word, and it is known in American language by yard. Cinema, as you know, this one is English word, and this one is known by movie theater in America. Movie theater in America. STD is called in American language LDC. LDC. And stupid person are called by air-headed person in America. Air-headed person in American language. Lift is known by elevator in American language. Elevator. Taxi is known by American language by cab. तो इस तरीके से ये आप विभिन्न प्रकार के वर्ड्स का यूज आप करते रहे होंगे, लेकिन शायद ही आप जानते रहे हों ये अमेरिकन वर्ड है या ब्रिटिश वर्ड है। तो मैंने आपको बताने का प्रयास किया। यदि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है, यूजफुल लगता है, तो जी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। आप लाइक करें, शेयर करें। थैंक यू।